This slide shows the latest forecast of different propulsion systems on light vehicles in these three regions. From the comparison with the forecast in October 2024, we can see that forecasted total numbers of electrified vehicles are significantly declined in Europe and North America. This is because of the change of the timelines and the pathways to meet the CO2 emission targets, and also impacted by the continued geopolitical tensions. And as a result, OEMs started to announce delaying SOPs of EV platforms. But we can see from the chart on the other end, Great China is still sticking to the original plan, and the journey towards electrification continues and goes smoothly. And at the end of the forecast period until 2032, the penetrations of the pure electrified vehicle are expected to increase in each of the three main vehicle production regions by 14.5%, 29.1%, and 30.4% for Europe, North America, and China. On the other hand, we see that reduction in electrified vehicle production presents an opportunities for growth of plug-in hybrid electrified vehicle and the full half vehicle. In Europe region, the total volume of these two types are expected to go slightly up to 2.5 million units in 2032. And for North America region, the market for F-half itself is predicted to get stronger, and total volume of these two types would exceed 4 million units in 2032. And in China, there would be 8 million P-half and 1.5 million F-half new productions in the same year.